mountains, keep them floods away. I'ma keep on building, I don't care what they say. Yeah, I'ma build this boat on a mountain for a rainy day. Yeah, them rains be driving around this mountain. Y'all gonna learn today. I see God told me the rains are coming, so I build today. Yeah, God said the rains are coming. See you in 40 days. You should come along. I swear the walls are strong. We will have a show and zoo, plenty of things to do unless you can really swim. I suggest you get right in. Boom, boom, bang comes the thunder and the rain. Y'all gon' learn today. I told you they were coming. Now it's too Gotta raise the door, keep the water out the floor. You should've heeded the warn. When it rains it pour, and it gonna do those for 40 days more. So long, farewell. Hope you enjoy the swell. We up here on this mountain, in this boat to stay. Boom, boom, bang. Y'all gon' learn today. Build your boat.